Hey, this is the shack that Dennis built, and today I'm coming to you to show you how my garden is growing. I've got some really great planters. I want to show you those planters and show you what we've got planted, and wow, things are just taking off like crazy. So here we go. We're going to show you the shack that Dennis built, his garden. All right, open up the gate. Over here we have zucchini in our lower planter. Man, they look pretty good. And then right next to this, we have some red lettuce. Look at that stuff growing. We have a third planter we haven't planted yet. We're gonna plant some, I don't know, some melons or something in that particular one. We have these nice looking plants here that they were there before we got here. Right here we have some leaf lettuce. Man, oh man, it's only been a couple of weeks and those things are ready for harvest. Cilantro. So we've got these raised beds, 2 of these square raised beds. This is spinach. Something's eating our spinach. You can see right there something's eating on that spinach. And then over on this side we have broccoli. That's just going a little crazy. Something's eating on this whole planter over here. Not sure what it is. They're chewing up the leaves. We'll have to figure out what to do about that. And then we've got these 3 round culverts, which are awesome for planters. You know, they are just about waist high. Got some Walla sweet onions in this one. And then we have some snowball cauliflower here all the way around. Man, those are just going crazy. And looks like we got more of the same over here, except for that one. That one looks a little different. That one looks like cabbage there. Got some more onions, green onions there. Peppermint. Got peppermint going in this one. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. Hey, whew, pretty nice. Got some more. This, see, now nothing's eating on these, and over there they're eating on them, so something in that planter hiding away to eat. Over here we have some red cabbage. That's growing really well. And then we've got a couple of tomatoes over here. And they are flowering and looking good. Down here on the ground, we've started to grow corn. We got more corn that we're going to put in here. And in this one we have cherry. Uh-oh. Look at that. This wasn't like this yesterday. Maybe it's too dry or something, but one of those got a tomato that's not looking good. That's cherry tomato there. We've got 4 of these stand-up planters. We love them. And this one is a sweet bell pepper in this one. And my wife is the genius. She's the one that takes care of the garden so well. Celery. She loves her celery. And then we have over here, we got some kohlrabi. I'm not sure what kohlrabi is all about, but we're going to find out. And then over here we're growing ducks. Those ducks are just taking off like crazy. And chickens. Don't forget the chickens. We got a Muscovy, and we like to have a good variety of different kinds of ducks. We got over there we have a the name slips me, can you believe that? Our Indian runner. And we've got all kinds of different kinds of ducks over there. So that's our garden. But now let me show you our greenhouse. Here's our greenhouse, and we put a cover over it to kind of keep it a little cooler than that sun gets pretty hot. We've put it next to our house, as you can see, so that gives it some stability, and we had to do some fixing on it because of the snow last year destroyed it. But you come inside, and got a fan in here. Got some daisy lilies, got some corn growing here, more corn, yellow pepper, pumpkin, more yellow pepper. Got some seeds going on, ready to go, ready to plant there. Down here daylilies and daisy. So this is not all about food here. This is about, my wife wants something pretty looking here. She's got some water in there for evaporation purposes. And what is this? Rhubarb. Man, she's got a big rhubarb in here. She needs to get that out of here. And that is our greenhouse. So that's a little tour of our garden and our greenhouse. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you got some ideas of what you want to plant. This is the shack that Dennis built. Make sure you like and subscribe to my videos so you can get updates on all my new videos.